Hey Aaron, this is Josh from Josh and Danny SEO. I'm just shooting you over that video about how you can improve your online presence. So just taking a look at your website, you got, of course, your name, you got a great logo, taking your flooring to the next level, which is awesome. I noticed that it technically looks like a click to call here, but it sends it to your email. I would take a look into that to make sure that this is actually connected to your phone number. And if they click it, sorry, if they click it, they're able to call you right then and there. And then, of course, going down, you have your different drop downs. Of course, what you do, what you're all about, your mission statement, different pictures, and then, of course, company overview. So I'm not seeing a ton of content, especially about what you do and what you work with. I know you have it over here, but that's really a drop in the bucket. What Google is looking for is 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage, kind of explaining what you do, the different floors you work with, and going a little more in depth into that, which will allow you to put organic keywords into your site. Now, what an organic keyword is a buyer intent word that someone's putting into Google in order to find your specific service. However, before I get into that, let's check behind the scenes and look at your website. So the way we do that is with Ahrefs or Ahrefs, depending on your mood. Uh, so when we put it in, out pops your ranking. So we have your UR and your DR ranking. So the UR rating is the strength of your website, which as you can see is no data, and the DR rating is the trust, which you can see is a 0. Now, ideally, we want these both in between 30 and 40. That would be the best case scenario. Now, the way we get that up is with backlinks. Now, what a backlink is any link that leads from another website back to yours. However, not all backlinks are created equal. For example, a backlink from Wikipedia would be an awful link because Wikipedia is a super spammy site. However, a backlink from a distinguished flooring blog would be great just because it's relevant to your specific service. Another thing, as I was saying, are those organic keywords. What buyer intent words are you ranking for? And as you can see, you're not really ranking for any of them. So you're not really going to see any traffic because Google doesn't know what to rank you for. So let's take a look at what a buyer intent word is. Now, I know you're not necessarily located in Boston. You're in between Boston and Worcester. I don't know how to pronounce that city. So I'm going to do Boston just because that's the biggest city in Massachusetts. So what I'm going to do, flooring Boston MA. That's going to be a great buyer intent word that someone's putting in order to find flooring service. First thing that's going to pop up is your GMB, your Google Map Pack. Now, it's super important to get on this because 30 to 40% of all people will stop right here and pick one of these people. Now, this is an ad, but he's still part of the top four. He's still part of the top 3, which is now top 4. So they'll pick one of these guys because that's the easiest thing to do. Then goes your organic rankings. This is by strength of website. So you're going to have your basics like your Houzz, Yelp, Angie. Then you're going to have your real first, which is Boston Wood Floor Supply Inc., which is your strongest website. So let's see what they're doing and what their website looks like and why they're ranking number 1. So we look at their website, nothing special. They have a good website, but they have a normal header, they have their logo, they have their numbers. They're not click to call either, which is unfortunate. They always have stuff that everyone has stuff they could work on. But going through, they have a little bit about their services and reviews, which you can or can't put them on the front. It's not necessarily necessary. But as you can see, they don't have a ton of content either. They don't have that 1,500 to 2,000 words. But let's see behind the scenes why they're doing so well. So first up, we have their strength, which is a 22, and their trust, which is a 3.7, which they're not doing terrible. They could be better. But what they are doing really well are their backlinks. As you can see, they have 368 different backlinks leading back to their website, as well as their ranking for 669 different organic keywords, different buyer intent words. So let's check what buyer intent words they're ranking for and what traffic they're getting from ranking for them. So Boston Wood Floor Supply, that's people looking for them. Boston Wood, bonus stain colors. Then you have your first real one, which is Boston Floor. 300 people, they're in the first real position. They're getting 43 traffic from that. Boston Flooring, 300 people, first reel position, they're getting 41 people from that. Boston Hardwood Floor, same deal, 250, first reel, 37. As you can see, as you go down, they're ranking for Flooring Boston words for people that are looking in Boston. So that as you can see from that, they're gaining all this traffic. So if we're looking to get that traffic too and beat them out, first things first, you got to get those backlinks. You want to get more backlinks than Boston Wood Floor Supply Inc. So good thing is you already have a place to start. You know these backlinks work. You find the great ones and you add them to yours. And then you add more on top of that to beat them out. And then of course you get that content. You need 1,500 to 2,000 words throughout your homepage, and then 500, 750 words in all your other pages, so that you can organically place buyer intent keywords throughout your site so Google can rank you for them. You do that, you should start seeing more organic traffic and more calls through your site. Now, I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to reach back out to me. And if you can leave some feedback, that would be awesome. You have a nice rest of your day.